Hello everyone, my name is Brady Haislet. I'm an application engineer here at 3M, and today I'm going to go through the setup of the 3M Series 2.0 PPS. First thing you'll do is grab your hard cup, insert your liner. Today we're just using the standard size, 22 ounce, but the sizes available, there are 5 of them, range from a 3 ounce micro all the way to the large 28 ounce size. After you get your liner inserted into the hard cup, this is when you'd add your coatings. You can use the convenient mix ratios right on the cup. Grab your PPS Series 2.0 lid. What I like to do is align one of the tabs of the locking collar with that viewing window on the hard cup. Press down firmly. You can verify that the seal is made by just lifting up a little bit to expose the PPS liner. And then rotate a quarter turn to make sure that that locking collar is secure. Once it's secured, you can grab your spray gun. And if it's the performance spray gun, hold it by the atomizing head and rotate that to get the 4-point connection. You can go ahead and spray.